welcome to my channel. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I am Kendra, and this is I Can Sew. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the greatest day of the year. I also share this great day with the first day of winter, but nobody told Mother Nature because it is literally 63 degrees in Maryland on December 21st. I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying, this is how people get pneumonia. Because I'm sure there's plenty of people out there now walking around with no coats on. Anyways, don't mind me, I'm chilling. I'm relaxing today. So I just doing some tights. Oh, and my warm fuzzy socks just because I like them. And my oversized sweatshirt that I got from JCPenney's. And then I actually went and I have a pattern. I don't have it in here with me now. That can make something like this. Because I do like a good oversized sweatshirt. So, I guess you're wondering, okay, it's her birthday. Why is she on here? I'm on here because I bought myself a birthday gift. And I want to share it with you. I'm literally going to open it up with you. So, it is, it's heavy. It is the new Brother 1034D Serger. I'm so excited. I heard that this is a great serger for beginners. And of course, I'm a beginner. So I'm a little nervous about it. But let's open this up and I'll talk to you about how my nerves may be getting the best of me. All right, and we're back. So let's see. Let me read this first, right? It says it is the Home Lock 1034D. It has 3 to 4 thread lay-in tension with lower looper threader. I have no idea what that means. I just know at the end of the day, my garment should look store-bought, and that is the big deal here. It has 22 stitch functions. It now includes a hem, a blind hem, guide, multi-purpose guide foot, a trim trap, and a gathering foot. I'm excited about that. I can do gathering. Okay. Free instructional and technique CDs inside. Now, I did look this up on YouTube, and I heard from the folks on YouTube that the video in this is definitely from like the 90s. So, and did you just hear me read CD? So let me like go in my attic back here and find the CD, my DVD player, so that I can even watch the doggone thing. Or I might be able to pull out my the CD is not a DVD, right? So I still have an older computer that has a CD-ROM. So maybe I'll use that instead. But anyhow, let me get to opening this. Okay, first things first. The CDs. Let me move in here. We have the CDs and the instructional guide. I'm literally not going to read any of this stuff while I'm here. I'm just going to kind of tell you about it. So, what I was saying about me being the trim tray. I know you really can't see it, but I'll put it together and then we'll see. I also have to find a place to put it because I bought like this desk and it's cute, but the desk, I don't know if a serger will fit on it. I watch a lot of people's videos and let me not get comfortable. I watch a lot of people's videos and they have their sewing machine and serger next to each other, but I don't like working in a cluttered space, so I'm not gonna do that. Here's the foot pad. It looks just like a sewing machine foot pad, so at least we won't have to learn anything new there. So what I was saying was, I'm so new to sewing that I like my extra fabric when I do my seam, and I have that extra like 5/8 of an inch of fabric hanging off the end. I still like that being there because if I have to go back and unpick the thread and start over, then I still know that the seam is still there, right? And so the idea of a serger is that it cuts that seam off if you sew a garment directly with the serger. But it cuts that off. So what I think I'm going to do to start off with is still, look at this, y'all, came with different colors. blue, green, red, and yellow. What I think I'm going to do in the beginning is still sew my stuff the same way that I sew it now. Make sure it fits, and then finish the seams. Or for things that unravel, I may finish the seam on those, just to kind of, you know, lock it in, like for like cotton stuff. But then don't cut anything off of it, right? Because I don't do that. So I'm going to read the box a little more, but I want us to be able to see what is here. What is this? I have no clue what this stuff is. And again, I'm going to use it all, so I'm probably going to do another video where we talk about exactly what's in this. Right now, this is literally the unboxing video. So I'm moving closer. I know you're like, what the freak is she doing? I'm moving closer so we can literally see the star of the show here. I'm just the co-star for today. So it's already threaded, right? You can kind of see in there, it's already threaded. Now, what I also heard from some people about a serger is you never want the serger to run out of thread. I guess when it's getting close to the end, you're supposed to tie a knot on there. So I like that this uses regular thread, regular size thread, but I'm gonna buy the big spool. I kind of like the big spools now, so that's cool. So it has a threading tension release button. No clue what that means. Look, I'm not even gonna act like I know what this stuff means, but I promise you in another video I'm gonna go through and we'll talk about how I learned to use it. But I want to give you a close-up. Look at how the thread, the 4 different thread loop types or finishers, I guess it has on it. And here are the tension dials that I was talking about. It comes with a little piece of fabric here, already attached. Looks like they've already started doing the edges. In case for those of you who don't know what a serger does, finishes your seams like this. So it cuts off excess seams and it loops it like this. So, you know, just like the inside of your shirt. And here is the tray. And the tray goes, I guess it goes in here somewhere. Because it's going to catch this extra, yeah, it goes under here. It's going to catch the extra fat thread that the little knife here is going to cut off. So, again, it's my birthday. And I'm excited that I have a serger. Shout out to my YouTube. No. Shout out to my Instagram sewers who actually posted this online and said it was on sale. So the original price is like $300 and something. I think I've always seen it for like $2 something, but Amazon had it for like $109. So yeah, you can't beat that. And so I got it. So I'm excited. As you can see, I usually don't show you guys my sewing room because it's a mess. And to be honest with you, I sew all over the house. So, but as you can see, here's all my fabric. And I have, so it's this way. Don't mind that bin. That's, and I have some hanging up too. Some fabric hanging up over here. Yeah, over here. Yeah. And then that's my carry bag. I carry stuff, sewing stuff in there. And then I have just a bunch of like zippers and things up there. So on this side, I have more fabric. And so so I have a lot. Some of it's like test fabric. So it's fabric I bought from the thrift shop so I can test out different things. Old sheets, dollar fabric or whatever. So I'm excited about that. I'm so excited about this. I bought some other things too that I was excited about. I keep saying the word excited because I'm excited. It's an exciting day. It's my birthday, December 21st. But I have some other things I really like that are kind of like my things that I collect or things I really like to buy, whether I'm really sewing or not. I seem to keep buying. So I'm going to do another video where I share that with you as well so you can see my guilty pleasures. I'll give you a secret. I'll give you a hint. No, I'll just tell you. It's thread. I I don't know what it is, but I love to buy thread. And I go to the store and I look at all the colors and I just buy it. I mean, I might not even have anything at the house that matches it, but I buy it and I like it. I'm backwards. I'm like those people who buy shoes and then go buy the outfit to match. I buy thread and then buy the fabric to match. Don't judge me. Judge yourself for being normal. So, I want you to have a great rest of the day. I'm not going to stay on here very long. I just wanted to show you that I bought myself a birthday gift. It's so unrelated, so I shared it with you. And, you know, hey, 2 new adventures. Thank you so much. Love you, love you, love you. And if I don't speak to you again before Christmas, because you literally have 4 more shopping days, lucky you, it's a Friday, right? So you have all day today, Saturday, and Sunday, after church, of course. They ain't judging if you don't go to church, to buy Christmas things. And then you can also run yourself ragged on Christmas Eve, which is on Monday, and also buy more Christmas gifts. But that would not be me. I bought this one outfit, and I'm done. So, talk to you later. Thank you. Merry Christmas.